Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change sounds on a Roland electric piano. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you have a Roland electric piano like this one, you can actually change the sounds. That's the whole purpose of an electric piano. It's one of the main reasons why you would probably consider buying one. Now this is the Roland FP10 electric digital piano, and the process for changing the sounds on this is really simple, but it's also going to be the same process for the other Roland digital electric pianos that are similar. Some of them, like the FP30 and the higher end models, I believe there's also an FP60. As far as I know, it's going to be the same process or very, very similar. So basically what you want to do is you want to look for this button right here, the piano function button. This button right here controls all of the things that you see above the keys. Okay, now on the Roland FP10, which is this one right here, the FP10, we have a few different options. So you can see there's 4 different pianos, there's 2 electronic pianos, there's 2 harpsichords, I believe I said that right, there's a vibraphone, 2 organs, 2 strings, a pad, and then a jazz scat. Okay, now if you want to change the sound, and stay tuned till the end because I'm going to show you a bonus trick that probably not many people know about. If you want to change the sound, you just press and hold down this piano function button here and then press the sound that you want. So right now we just have the basic piano as far as I remember. Okay, and if I press and hold down the piano function and I push, let's say, a harpsichord over here, okay, we're gonna get a different sound. Just very, very cool. There's a classic, I won't even name it, I want to see if you can drop it in the comments. There's a classic Halloween-ish show from when I was a kid that used this sound. It's the first thing that comes to my mind. I won't play it because I don't want to, get any copyright or anything like that. But there's a classic Halloween type of show which involved 2 parents and I believe there were 2 kids, and it uses this sound. So if you remember it, drop it in the comments if it rings a bell. So that's how to change the sound, but there's actually something cool that you can do, which is layering 2 sounds together. So listen to how we did this. This was harpsichord. Let's just do harpsichord 2, okay? Okay, so listen closely. That's what it sounds like. Now what you can do is you can combine them. So if I hold down the piano function button and I press harpsichord 2 and organ 1, I'm actually going to get both of those sounds layered together. So I'm going to try and do this with my finger like this. So I'm going to hold down the piano function button and I'm going to press both of these together, both of the harpsichord 2 and the organ 1, just like this. And we'll listen closely. Okay, so I press both of them down. Now listen. So it's together. That sounds crazy actually. Alright, don't judge my playing because I'm a little bit rusty. I haven't played seriously in about 20 years. I was really good as a kid and I stopped playing for about 20 years and I'm going to get started again. But that's a really cool trick for layering 2 sounds together and I wanted to include that in this video. So yeah, that's basically it. That is essentially how to change sounds on a Roland electric piano. An easy tutorial. I've shown you how to do it with the Roland FP10 digital electric piano, but if you have a different Roland electric piano, it's probably going to be the same process, and that is truly it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.